Hello friends. In this video we are going to discover about the top 5 best honeymoon places in India. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about honeymoon destinations in India. There are some breathtaking honeymoon destinations in India. Weddings and honeymoons are two things that are always in demand and happening in a country like India. And along with thousands of wedding places rises the biggest question of what are the best honeymoon places in India to go? Well, our country is full of wonders and wonderful places giving couples myriad interesting and romantic honeymoon spots in India. The tradition of honeymoon is not just a mere vacation, but also a special time when newlyweds can celebrate their newfound relationship in seclusion. Known for its diverse geography and culture, India is one of the most sought-after honeymoon destinations across the globe. Presenting the best honeymoon destinations in India to plan an incredibly romantic vacation that'll make sure you have unlimited honeymoon memories. Number 5 on the list of best honeymoon places in India is Udaipur, Rajasthan. Udaipur, the city of lakes, makes for the most romantic getaways in India for a honeymoon. The place is famous for beautiful lakes surrounded by magnificent forts on the hilltops that have earned the site the title Venice of the East. You can enjoy a royal exotic honeymoon in Udaipur with your soulmate. Things to experience in Udaipur: palaces and havelis, city tours, trekking and hiking, Lake Pithola, Shilpgram. The perfect time to visit: October to March. Number 4 on the list of best honeymoon places in India is Gulmarg, Kashmir. With vistas that can give Switzerland a run for its money, Kashmir is the perfect place for honeymooners. The pristine white snow and complimentary cold weather will have you two cozying up in front of a fire or heater in no time while enjoying the panoramic views outside your window. Take time to experience the local flavor and cuisine, explore the snow-clad mountains, the lines of wildflowers and the spectacular Dal Lake with your beloved, and understand why Kashmir's beauty is second to none. Things to experience in Gulmarg: take the gondola ride, trekking and hiking, visit Strawberry Valley, explore valley. The perfect time to visit: January to May. Number 3 on the list of best honeymoon places in India is Kerala. Let your love bloom amid the eternal beauty of Kerala. The place has everything from pine-fringed beaches to lush forests spotted with wildlife and mountain slopes decorated with tea, coffee, and spice plants. But what makes Kerala unique is its backwater. Sailing through the serene backwater at Udaipur on a houseboat amid the green paddy fields, charming villages, and pine forest is really a romantic getaway for newly married couples. Enjoy boating on the Kundal Lake at Munnar with the mesmerizing view of mountain slopes, gardens, and wildlife. Travel through the misty roads of Kerala and spot a waterfall at every turn of the hilly road. Call your partner's name from the echo point and also shop for souvenirs from the local markets to remember your honeymoon in Kerala. Things to experience in Kerala: houseboats, backwaters, beaches, lakesides, Ayurvedic spa, surfing, shopping, seafood, tea gardens, western ghats, national parks. The perfect time to visit, all throughout the year. Number 2 on the list of best honeymoon places in India is Andaman. Andaman is one of the most romantic honeymoon destinations in India. It is famous for its secluded islands and wide sandy beaches lined with coconut trees. Relax on a swing, walk together on the beach, or take a scuba dive to interact with the precious marine life. Also, you can visit historical places and museums or spend time in the comfort of luxury resorts in Andaman. Things to experience honeymoon in Andaman: quiet and secluded beaches, luxury resorts, scuba diving, snorkeling, and water sports, historic places, museums. The perfect time to visit: October to May. Number 1 on the list of best honeymoon places in India is Goa. Stretching along the Arabian Sea, Goa is a wonderful beach honeymoon destination in India. The sandy beaches, lovely marine life, lush forest with waterfalls, and serene riverfronts make Goa a perfect spot for couples. Many beaches like Anjuna and Baga Beach are famous for water sports, and you can also enjoy shopping in the flea market or beachside stalls. A bunch of famous restaurants of international brands create a great opportunity for candlelight dinner on the beach side. The fun capital Goa is also home to more than 7,000 bars and casinos that offer amazing nightlife to couples. Things to experience in Goa: beaches, nightlife, shopping, water sports. The perfect time to visit: October to January. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite honeymoon places in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.